My grandmother, Elizabeth, maiden name Elkin Weiss, my mother's mother, who is she's still with us, and she is like a Yiddishist, actually. She's been to the National Yiddish Book Center, and before I came here, she told me I would have the time of my life here because she did, and it was just such a positive experience for her, being surrounded by these Yiddish books, as she is in her own house, actually. Books line her walls of Yiddish and Jewish history and Holocaust history. I've always just been amazed at the way she preserves and sort of consumes knowledge of our people. It's very important to her. I actually found this quote when I was going through books in her library, as I often do. It was about Yiddish Theatre, the book. And she has a lot about that. She is an actress and interested in acting and theater. And it was describing how Jews in the old country didn't just go to Yiddish melodramas and operettas, silly farces, things like that, but would go to Yiddish translations of Ibsen and Chekhov. And it describes how the Jews became these avid consumers and producers of culture. And it said, the Jews in this time, and this was what I really liked, they were more like Goethe's Faust, who desired a monopoly of knowledge, than Marlowe's Barabbas, who desired monopoly of wealth. And I like that, because it's like the Gentiles have gotten it wrong, sort of, about the Jews, that it's not that we crave money and power, we crave knowledge, and we crave culture and learning, and that's what defines us more than anything else. And I feel that when I enter her home surrounded by these books.